All right, we're getting to the end. We're getting to the end here. On number 15 and 16. On 15 and 16, it's the same idea that we did on 11 and 12. Same idea as 11 and 12. You need to essentially put down y equals mx plus b and then solve and find your b. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to write out at the bottom y equals mx plus b. And we're just going to plug in some information here. So what is our y for this problem? 5 equals, what's our m? -1 times, what's our x? 2 plus b. What's -1 times 2? -2. So we have 5 equals -2 plus b. Move this down a little bit. Last step there. Add 2 to both sides. You got to add 2 to both sides. You got to get rid of that -2. So you add 2 to both sides. So b equals, yeah, it's just 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. There we go. So b equals 7. b equals 7. So b, that tells us our starting point, correct? Yeah. So on our graph, where do we start?
We started at -1.
No. We started our b. What is our b?
Oh,
7. Yeah, exactly what we just found on the bottom. So on the y, we go to 7, which is right there. Put a dot. Now, what is my slope? Oh, goodness. Come on. Oh, no, that's not good. When it goes green like that, that means it just, like that made sense to the computer to do that. There we go. So 7 was our starting point. What's our slope? -1. Yeah, it tells us. It tells us the slope. See how it says slope equals -1? So -1, we get to make that a fraction, so that's -1 over 1. So which way is that -1 going to bring us? Down. Which way is that 1 going to bring us? Right. So we're going to go down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. And you can kind of pick up on the pattern, right? What's the opposite of down 1, right 1?
Up 1, left 1.
Good. Good, good, good. So now we have all of our dots. We're just going to connect our dots. And we are done. All right.
A lot of dots.
A lot of dots. Yeah. A lot of dots. I agree. A lot of dots. I think this will be number 16. Definitely has less dots. But yeah, whenever you have a slope of just like 1 or -1, there is a bunch of dots. A bunch of dots. All right, next one here. Again, same idea. Don't get freaked out because the slope is a fraction. I just had a kid run out of the room because he was afraid because that was a fraction. So, yeah, he just ran out of here screaming. That might be the student I had to go get him. All right, what is my y here? 1 equals, what's our m? 3 over 4 is our m. What is our x? 4 plus b. All right, what is negative? Now we got to multiply. What's -3 over 4 times 4? All right, so I don't see anybody really getting a calculator out, so I'll do it because I don't want to wait around. So I did negative 3 over 4 times 4. Okay, exactly what that says there. So I press enter, and the answer is negative 3. 1 equals negative 3 plus b. What do I have to do to both sides now?
Divide.
Yeah, you gotta stop saying divide. You keep saying divide, and what's getting stuck?
In my head.
Oh, well then unstick it from your head. 4 equals b. So b equals 4. b equals 4. b equals 4. All right, so now that we know that b equals 4, let's go ahead and go up here. Where do I start my graph at? 4, yeah, because b equals 4, right? Good job. All right, now what is my slope? It's negative 3 over 4. Negative 3 over 4. Which way is that negative 3 going to work?
Down.
Down, and then 4 goes to the
Right.
right. So I'm going to go down 3 and right 4. So 1, 2, 3, right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, down 3. 1, 2, 3, right 4. Now we're out of space. Now we can do the opposite, which is
Up 3, left 4.
up 3, left 4. Good.
From Fortnite.
Notice my slope is negative. This is a negative slope right here. So, that's a way of kind of double checking, making sure we are correct. So excellent work on that one.